Evolution explains how living things changed over a long time. Let's understand this by an example of beetles. Imagine there are two different color beetles. One is red and the other is green, and both of them stays on plant leaves. Lizards and birds can see this red beetles clearly on green leaf, and hence they start eating red beetles. Let's see what happens after a long time. As the red beetles get eaten by lizard and insects and birds, their population starts declining, whereas green beetles' population starts increasing. And at one point, there will not be any more red beetles, and there will be only green beetles. This variation in color helped green beetles to stay, whereas red beetles got extinct. This is an example of variation and how it can help organisms to adapt to their environment. Now in this case, we have red color and blue color beetles. Both of them can give rise to new offsprings, and by accident, if elephant or any other animal stamps, the entire red color beetles happens to be damaged. Thereafter, there will be only blue color beetles. This is an example of evolution by accident. Now here in this case, we have a group of red beetles. And what do you think will happen if they don't find available food resources? The size of the beetles starts to shrink as there is lack of food resources. This can continue till there is lack of food resources, and once they get available food supply, they get back to the original shape. So, change in shape is not a characteristic that can be inherited. The change in size could not produce variation and evolution in this species.